If you're filming with your phone, camera, or laptop and still dealing with tangled cords or bad audio, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today, I'm reviewing the ZealSound wireless lavalier mic kit that claims a 1,000 feet range, noise cancellation, and universal compatibility. Let's see if it's worth it. Hey, I'm Cece, and I test out practical tech for content creators, pet parents, and everyday life. If clean audio matters to you, whether you're on TikTok, YouTube, Zoom, or a podcast, this review will break down everything you need to know about the ZealSound mic kit, from setup to sound tests. Here's what's inside the box. 2 transmitters, 3 receivers, USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm for DSLR, USB-A, adapter for laptops, magnetic clips, 2 lanyards, and a fast charging case. It's pretty much plug and play, no app needed. It's rare to see this much versatility in one kit. For iPhone, just plug the Lightning receiver in and you're ready to go. Same for Android with USB-C. For cameras, just use the included TRS cable with the dedicated receiver. It automatically pairs with the transmitters. Super smooth. Let's talk about the audio. The mic comes with ANC, active noise cancellation, enabled by default. You'll see a green light when it's on. Tap once to turn it off, which is the blue light. Double tap to mute, and it shows the flashing LED. Now, here's a test with background noise recording from my laptop. Hello, I'm Cece, and this is what it sounds like. And here's a test with the lavalier mic. Hello, I'm Cece, and this is what it sounds like with the mic. You can actually hear the difference in clarity. ZealSound claims up to 1,000 feet of range, so I've tested this outside and walked further and further away. No dropouts. It even worked behind walls indoors, which is huge for live events or behind-the-scenes content. Here we go. The battery lasts 10 hours per mic and up to 40 hours total with the case. You can also charge your phone or camera from the receiver while recording. For creators who film all day or live stream for hours, this matters. The coin-sized mic is sleek and lightweight. You can use the built-in magnet for shirts or clip it to a hat. The optional necklace lanyards are a nice touch, especially for TikTok or Instagram reels where aesthetics count. The RGB ring light gives it a pro look without being distracting. If you're a content creator, live streamer, vlogger, or even someone who needs great audio for work meetings, this kit has you covered. It's made for iPhone, Android, PC, Mac, and DSLR workflows. So whether you're filming solo, interviewing someone, or hosting a podcast, this setup just works. If you want the link to this mic, it's in the description below. Or just drop the word mic in the comments and I'll reply with it. Like this review? Hit like and subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews. Thanks for watching.